Welcome to a journey that could change your life forever. Meditation is the key to unlocking inner calm and focus. If you're new to it, you're in the right place. This video will guide you through the first steps of meditation, helping you find peace in just a few minutes a day. Stick around till the end. You won't want to miss the powerful benefits that meditation can bring to your life. Meditation is all about returning your mind to the present moment. To start, find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Let your breath flow naturally without forcing it. If your mind wanders, don't worry. Just gently bring your attention back to your breath. The practice is in noticing when your mind drifts and calmly refocusing. Be kind to yourself. There's no right or wrong way to meditate. Just sitting down and focusing on your breath is enough. Over time, your mind will become more at ease, and you'll start to feel the benefits of meditation both during your practice and throughout your day. Start small. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a difference. The beauty of meditation is that you don't need hours to feel its effects. As you continue, you'll notice more calm and clarity in your everyday life. You'll feel less stressed and more grounded, even in the midst of busy days. To build consistency, pick a specific time each day to meditate. Whether it's in the morning or before bed, make it a regular part of your routine. Soon, it will become a natural habit, something you look forward to. You can deepen your practice with a mantra, a word or phrase you repeat silently to help focus your attention. Something simple like peace can work wonders to quiet your mind and bring deeper relaxation. Remember, meditation is more than just sitting still. It's about staying present throughout your day. Whether you're walking, doing chores, or simply breathing, mindfulness can bring the benefits of meditation into all areas of your life. Meditation helps you create a more balanced, peaceful life. Whether you're looking to reduce stress or improve your focus, all it takes is a few minutes each day to begin. Start now, and over time, you'll see the power of this simple practice. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel for more tips on meditation and personal growth. Don't forget to like the video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue this journey toward mindfulness and peace together.